Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create puzzle photo effect on CapCut. So tap on your project, select a few photos you like to edit, and I'm going to open my project. So I have added a few photos here, and how to add the puzzle photo effect. So just tap on the clip, select style, and you can find the puzzle photo effect and motion and select photo puzzle. Just wait. Alright, select another clip and select puzzle photo. Sorry, and to as before, for another clip, select photo puzzle and just click check marks. Alright, you can add the transition between the clip. Just tap on transition icon and select the, for example, then and now, just for duration, and 0.3 second, and apply to all the clip. Just click check marks, and here we go. This is the final effect you'll have on your video. I think this is the trending effect on CapCut. Yeah, I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.